Good morning, students. Today we will continue the topic 5, continuity and differentiability. Here today we start the part 7 and we completed the 6 part. So first you will understand the 1 to 6 part, then you will see this part 7. Look here. Now today we will start the derivatives of functions in parametric form. So first of all you understand what is the parametric form. Look here. Here two variable x and y are in the form x equal to ft. Ft means function of t and y is gt means y is function of t is said to be parametric form with t as parameter. Here t is a parameter. Okay, this type questions is given to you means x equal to ft and g equal to y equal to gt, this type given. And first of all you will differentiate with respect to the parameter is t, so we have to differentiate with respect to t. Now x is ft means dx by dt will be f dash t. F dash t is differential of ft. Okay, now y differential is dy by dt equal to g dash t we get. Now we have to find dy by dx, and dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, and dy by dt we have g dash t and dx by dt we have f dash t. So we get this dy by dx equal to g dash t upon f dash t. Now here condition is that f dash t should not equal to 0. Now one question we will do, dy by dx you have to find. If x equal to a cos theta and y equal to b cos theta, we have to differentiate with respect to theta because theta is your parameter is theta. So dx by d theta we get, that is equal to a cos theta differential is minus sin theta, y differential is dy by d theta, and b cos theta differential is again minus sin theta. So now we have to find dy by dx, that is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. That you can put the value dy by d theta is b bracket minus sin theta, that you can write minus b sin theta, and dx by d theta we can write a sin theta. Sin theta you can cancel, you get minus b by a you get. We have to find dy by dx if x equal to sin t and y equal to cos 2t. Here parameter is t, so we have to differentiate with respect to t. So look here, you can write here differentiate with respect to t. What we get, dx by dt we get, and that is equal to cos t, and dy by dt we get, that is equal to cos differential is minus sin and 2t is as it is, and 2t differential is 2. Okay, so what we get, look here, dx by dt we get here cos t, and dy by dt you can write here minus 2 sin 2t. Okay, and what you can write sin 2t we can write 2 sin t cos t, 2 sin t cos t, and that is equal to minus 4 sin t cos t we will get. Now we have to find here dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, and dy by dt you can write here minus 4 sin t cos t, and dx by dt we have cos t. You can cancel this cos t, you get minus 4 sin t. All of you understand this? Look here this question, find dy by dx if x equal to a bracket theta minus sin theta and y equal to a bracket 1 plus cos theta. Look here, here you have to find dy by dx. Here you can check the parameter is here theta, so you will do differentiate with respect to theta. Okay, now you will get here dx by d theta, that is equal to a is constant as it is, theta differential is 1 minus sin theta differential is cos theta. Okay, and dy by d theta that will be equal to a, and g1 differential is 0 and cos differential is minus sin theta, and this you can write minus a sin theta. We have to find here dy by dx, and dy by dx equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Okay, and dx by d theta is a 1 minus cos theta. You can write this a and a, you can cancel, we get minus sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Look here, we have this formula sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Okay, and 1 minus cos 2a, that is we know already 2 sin square a. So look here, you can write here sin theta. Sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2, and 1 minus cos theta will be equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So these value you will put here, we will get dy by dx equal to minus look here, sin theta we can write 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2, okay, upon 1 minus cos theta, you can write here 2 sin square theta by 2. Look at 2 you can cancel, 1 sin is cancel, you get here minus cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2, and that you can write here minus cot theta by 2. All of you understand this? This is a very simple question. Look at all of you, we have question, if x equal to a bracket cos t plus log 10 t by 2 bracket close, and second is y equal to a sin t, you have to find dy by dx. Look here you can check the parameter is t, so you have to differentiate with respect to t. Look here, when you will differentiate with respect to t, we get dx by dt equal to a is as it is and cos t differential is minus sin t plus log differential is 1 upon 10 t by 2. Okay, and 10 differential is sec square t by 2 and t by 2 differential is 1 upon 2. Okay, and here you can write here a minus sin t plus this whole you can write here sec square means you can write first of all 1 upon 10 means you can write sin t by 2 upon cos t by 2, and this 2 you can write here, sec you can write 1 upon cos square t. So look here, 1 cos you can cancel, 1 cos you can cancel here, you get here 1 upon 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2, 1 upon 2 sin t by 2 and cos t by 2 you will get. So this you can write here 1 upon sin t, and this you will take LCM, you will get here minus sin square t plus 1 upon sin t, and that you can write look here 1 minus sin square t means you can write here cos square t upon sin t. Look here, same as it is, we have the second part is y equal to a sin t, that you can write dy by dt equal to a cos t. You have to find here dy by dx, and dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay, this dy by dt we get here a cos t, and dx by dt we get a cos square t upon sin t. And look here, this a cancel, 1 cos is cancel, and you reciprocal you get here sin t upon cos t, and that you can write here 10t. Hope you understand this. This is a very simple question and very important. This question is very important, many times given in board exam. Look here, one question is x equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta and y equal to a bracket sin theta minus theta cos theta. You have to find dy by dx. How we can find? Look here parametric form this is, and here parameter is given to theta. So you have to write here differentiate with respect to theta. So you have to get dx by d theta equal to a cos theta differential is minus sin theta. Okay, and theta differential is 1 and sin theta is as it is plus theta is as it is, and differential of cos sin theta is cos theta. Similarly we do with the dy by d theta, that is equal to a sin theta differential is cos theta and minus bracket theta differential is 1, cos theta is as it is, then this theta is as it is, differential of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay, this is minus sin theta and whole bracket close. Now dx by d theta, that is equal to a, here sin theta minus sin theta plus sin theta and theta cos theta we have. This sin theta cancel, so you get dx by d theta is equal to my a theta and cos theta you get. Look here, in second side you can check dy by d theta equal to a. You open this bracket, you get cos theta minus cos theta, and this minus and minus you get plus theta sin theta you get, and this cos theta you can cancel. So dy by d theta, that is equal to a theta sin theta we will get. Now dy by d x you want, that you can write dy by d theta upon dx by d theta we get. Dy by d theta we will get here a theta sin theta, and dx by d theta we get a theta cos theta. Okay, so a cancel and theta you can cancel, sin theta upon cos theta you can write here tan theta. That is your answer. Look here, question is if x equal to root of a sin inverse t and y equal to root a cos inverse t, you have to show that dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Look here, if you see this question is very difficult, but we will do in a very simple way. Look here, what you will do, you will multiply this x into y, that is equal to root of a sin inverse t into root of a cos inverse t. Okay, this root you will mix these, so what you get, root of a sin inverse t into a power cos inverse t. This is a power you will add, xy will be equal to root of a sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. Look here, in inverse trigonometry we done that sin inverse a sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, that is equal to pi by 2. We know this formula. We know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So sin inverse t plus cos inverse t, that will be also equal to pi by 2. So you can put this value here. So what you get here, a power pi by 2. And now you differentiate with respect to x. So x differential is 1, y is as it is, plus x is as it is, differential of y is dy by dx, and this other is 0. X differential is 1, y is as it is, plus x is as it is, differential of y is dy by dx, and equal to 0 we get. So from here we get x dy by dx equal to minus y, and dy by dx equal to, we will get minus y by x. That only we have to prove, hence prove we can write. All of understand these?